Guys, we're Blakedown on Crossing Eastwards. Will, Calo 5, and Will Scriven. The cubicle alarm. There we go, now the time is 10:26 on Saturday, the 20th of June 2015, and this is for our 1728 2 Victor 50 London Midland Stairs from Dorwich to Worcester Shrub Hill.
It's like the latest been train spotting far from home.
Pardon?
This is like the latest I've been train spotting far from home.
Yeah, my house zone just literally like half a mile from here.
A couple of miles at least away from the crossing. Like 18 miles to the nearest one like this, the full barriers, and 7 miles to the nearest HB.
You were. I was saying this. I was saying you didn't film when it goes into the platform.
Yeah. I'm starting to get thirsty now. I actually remember when the barriers were lower and then someone hit their head on the barrier. That barrier over there.
I ain't got like what Alan Smith did. You know who Alan Smith is.
Who's Alan Smith?
He does Millennium Force. He's meant to be a comedy person for train spotting.
Yeah.
You know who he is or not?
No.
Hang on, we're up on this side. I think it's a strap.
Says Worcester Shrub Hill on the boards.
Probably a Dorwich to Worcester Shrub Hill.
It could be.
172, 332 from Dorwich to Worcester Shrub Hill. Before that, Kidderminster, Attlebury, Dorwich Sport, and Worcester Shrub Hill.
It could
The train is formed of 3 coaches.
It might skip out Hastlebury. I don't know yet because not many trains stop at Hastlebury.
Yeah, and it'll probably call that Kidderminster, Hastlebury, Dorwich Sport, and Worcester Shrub Hill. Train is formed of 3 coaches. 172 332 Dorwich Shrub Hill.